Good morning. Welcome back, all my glow babies. This is your girl Dan Style. Go ahead and hit like, comment, share, and subscribe. And today, I was thinking about this for a long time. I am finally letting out the cat from the bag to a secret tradition recipe passed down from my father of the perfect turkey for Thanksgiving or Christmas. This year I'm excited, guys, to also share that I will be cooking Thanksgiving dinner and giving it away for free to anybody who wants it and also who needs it as well. So I'm just going to show you guys what I did. So I started the process from last night. We're going to need 3/4 cups of sugar, 3/4 cups of salt, a bucket, water, and a thawed turkey. You're gonna mix the salt and sugar in a bucket that is filled with water. You're gonna fill it enough to make sure that the turkey is submerged. You're gonna take a wooden spoon or a metal spoon and stir together to make sure it's dissolved, and place the thawed turkey inside of that. And it's called the brine. So the brine allows the turkey to suck up the moisture so that it can create its own gravy and be extremely juicy. So that's the first step. So now I'm gonna go ahead and make the marinade. So my turkey is 2 days of prep. I'm gonna go ahead and make the marinade that we're gonna have sit on that turkey overnight so it can be extremely juicy. So step 1, brine overnight. Step 2, you can marinate. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, y'all. I'm going to show you guys how I make the marinade, and I'm going to show you as well how I coat it on the turkey. Okay, guys, be right back. All right, glow babies. So here I have everything I need for the marinade. We have 3 to 4 stalks of celery, 4 to 5 whole Scotch bonnet peppers, 2 whole onions, 1 carrot, 8 stalks of thyme, 1 piece of ginger. We have 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 cup of white vinegar. We're going to go ahead and blend this together to get a good consistency. Sorry about that, I had a little issue with my but y'all had an issue with my recording, so I'm going to go back. So you may have a blender that blends better than this, but this is how it's going to look so that we can season the turkey. I'm going to show you guys the turkey in the brine right now before I drain it from the brine. So all the solution has been soaking that up. I'm so excited to see the end goal of this. So this is how the turkey is going to look after draining the brine. So excited to see all of the juices it's going to release. But also we're going to stuff it with some stuffing as well. So now I'm going to take the seasoning that I just freshly made and I'm going to pour it all over the turkey. Color of the seasoning. change my gloves to prevent contamination. So we're just going to pour it all over. Get out as much I season with seasoning. And now to really get the seasoning in there, we're going to go ahead and stop the turkey with a knife. This is just to really get the seasoning in there. We also have an injector. I'm going to inject it with this one. It's cooked. Really get it done. You know? This is what we're looking like, y'all. I went ahead and injected some of the seasoning into the holes that I punctured. I've also made a crust kind of with the seasoning. I went inside the cavity of the turkey, even though we're going to be putting dressing, not dressing, we call it. Excited how it's going to turn out. We're going to roast it in the oven, but I'm making the stuffing first to stuff it, and we're going to roast it. So I stuffed the turkey. Now we're going to put it in the oven for 350 for about 3.5 to 4 hours of roasting. We're going to get that started. I have to run to the store to get some oil and some mustard for the ham and the few fishes I'm cooking today, but I'm just going to put this inside the oven and get this going. I have some leftover stuffing that I'm going to put in a separate container to cook, to add for extra side. So this is it now. We are 2 hours in, an hour and a half in. Got the base pearl. Y'all just need to be constantly watching and baste your turkey. Keep it nice, moist. Okay, we have an hour and it's gonna get very brown. Base. We have an hour and 45 minutes left. Okay. Now I usually have to pull. I need to pull this out. Pull it out. This is why I recommend brining, guys, because look at all the juices and the gravy at the bottom of the turkey. Now, if you are frying, I don't recommend you to brine, but if you're baking, it definitely is going to help the flavor, the texture, the gravy. You get to make gravy and stuff like that. So just baste your turkey. Beautiful brine turkey, marinated, fully cooked. See, the bone is even separating now. It's better for me. Oh, I'm so excited, so happy to bless. Look at all that gravy. Y'all have to brine your turkey now. Unless y'all frying it, don't brine it. But now I'm going to wrap her and let her rest until it's time to serve, and I'm gonna get gonna try and finish the rest of the menu.